If you suspect that your Yahoo Mail account has been compromised due to suspicious activity, it's important to act quickly to regain access and secure your account. Follow these steps to restore your account. Step 1. Visit the Yahoo Sign-In Helper. Go to the Yahoo Sign-In Helper page. This tool will guide you through the process of recovering your account by verifying your identity. Step 2. Enter your information. Input your Yahoo email address or mobile phone number associated with your account. Click Continue to proceed to the next step. Step 3. Verify your identity. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 4. Change your password. Once your identity is verified, you will be prompted to create a new password. Choose a strong password that you haven to use before to enhance your account security. Step 5. Review account security settings. After regaining access, check your account settings for any unauthorized changes. Update your recovery options and enable two-step verification for added security. Taking these steps will help you regain access to your Yahoo Mail account and protect it from future threats. Always stay vigilant and monitor your account for any unusual activity.